Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I'm Miss Lisa, and this is my YouTube channel for everything I want to talk about in science and math. This is a calculator lab video where we're going to be solving linear systems of equations by graphing. So this is a super important life hack, I'm going to say. You can do so many problems like this, and this is how I always do systems of linear equation problems. When you do substitution or combination or other ways, they're just big, long problems, and there's a lot of places you can make a mistake. But if you just use this little life hack, you can do it on your calculator. Now, if you're in a class where your teacher is going to make you show work and you're not supposed to be just putting in your calculator, then you can still do this, and I still would do it. But I would do it to check my answer instead. So I've got a TI-84 graphing calculator. I have the light up one. Actually, it's my son's. I borrowed it from him. My light up calculator is at school, where I'm a public school teacher. All right, so first you turn it on right there. And this, what we're going to do, works for TI-82s and 3s also. But if you go 4 to 84, you should, because it makes life better, especially when you get to things like logarithms. All right, so here are my two equations. This is called a system of linear equations because there's two of them. And what is considered the answer is the ordered pair of where these two lines cross. Okay, so that's the answer we're looking for. And what we do is we put both equations in our calculator at the y equals button. Now, if you don't have y by itself, first you got to do the opposite until you have y by itself. If you don't know how to do that, go look at some of my other videos. I'll show you how to do that. Go look at the one that says just how to graph an equation, and I'll show you on there how to do it. All right, so I have my two equations. They're already got y equals by itself. And notice they gave you weird ones with decimals. I think they're trying to hide the fact that you can pretty much cheat using this method. So they're trying to make you think, oh, that only works with decimals. Nope, it works with all equations. So we're going to go to the y equals button. We're going to clear out anything that's in there. So I'm going to push either delete or clear. I'm going to push clear. Okay, now I'm going to type this in. Negative is down here on the bottom, minus is over here. So negative is at the beginning, minuses are in the middle. But at the beginning, it's always a negative. Negative 0.3x. So point is right there, and the button for x is that one, x, t, theta, that one right there. That's your x button. And see, put it up there. Now we do plus, back up where you can see what I'm doing, 1.8. Now, it doesn't matter if these are in proper order with x's before bare numbers. Your calculator doesn't care about etiquette. Now, I'm going to arrow down to the next line and put in the next one. And this one is 0.6x minus, remember, minus is in the middle, so I put that one right there, 1.5. Okay, now I am going to graph it and see if I have a good window. What I'm looking for is where they cross. Yay, I did. If your window is not good, you could go to Zoom Standard number 6 and see if you get it where it crosses on there. And if not, you might have to mess with the window until you get a good one. So mine was good, so I'm going to say graph. Now, what I do is I do second trace, and that gets me to this screen. And what I want is I want to arrow or just put in number 5 because I want to know where they intersect. That's the answer. Next, I hit enter 3 times. Why I'm hitting enter is first they say, is this blue line the first curve, the first line? Yes. Is the red line the second curve or second line? Yes. So do I want them to guess? See where it says guess? Yes, I do. And it guessed that the answer is this. 3.66667, that's 3 2/3 and 0.7. So now we check and see if we got it right. Dun, 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 we did. That's the ordered pair. That's the answer. All right, so this is super important. Start doing this from now on. Whenever you have these problems, use it. Because if you don't use it, you won't remember how. And it'll be the SAT or the ACT or your college test. And you'll go, oh yeah, there's a way my calculator can do this, but I don't remember it because I didn't practice it. All right, so like, share, subscribe. Math is great, and I will see you next time.